Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Nagaraj-Tech Solutions. Today we start HTML tutorials. In this session, already I had covered HTML tables. Right now, we have to talk remaining topics. Wait a minute, I do share my screen. I remember what I have covered yesterday's class. In my skill tutorials, we had discussed the HTML tables. What is the definition and types, and how to create HTML tables. Already I have covered these topics before that. Today class we discussed the remaining all contents like HTML header and captions in HTML tables. Then stylings, how we do styling in HTML tables, even call group tags, nested tables. So don't waste your time. Coming to the point, header and captions. Second one. Today we cover these four. Just simple way to learn. I define simple logic. Second one is HTML header and captions. It is defined as the HTML table. HTML tables is used to rendering captions of a table. Table is called captions. HTML captions. We have to declare this caption via caption tag. Caption. Then next one, header. Header. It simply says head of the content in the given tables via head tag. So I do the program yesterday's class. Then run it. We init these things, caption and header on a init. This is yesterday I had executed this code. Now we add a caption header. I gave this header session here. Body before. Caption. we give HTML student table is here in close caption tag. Then give a header tag, head, where give table row like header section, head, and close head. So before that, I discussed the simple programmatic level. Topic is HTML tables. Header and caption. So it meant by I create a table just like headers, some yesterday's whatever I had executed one. So I created that. Look like this. Suppose serial number, name, age, age at salary. Suppose this is the table, like the values. I give them some values. 1 A 10 2 C 20. Suppose. So whenever we are initiating or we are initializing header caption in this HTML tutorials where look like this caption, I give caption tag, we create some, we have some HTML student table is here. Some example, I'm not sure it is a right sentence. Just example, that's what. Whatever I write in HTML code, caption tag, it's enable is here. We have HTML student table is here. Table is so this is caption. We are editing header caption. We are calling these things are HTML header. So we run this program right now. Look at this. Create a mutual table having here. This is the paragraph. We HTML student table is here because this is the caption. And serial number, name, age, blood group is like a caption. These are header table, header session. This is a caption. In code, so I remove this because wrong. Serial number, name, age, blood group. This is the header section of this about table. Look like some variation is here. I refresh. So in column header is some gap is here. This is the header path and down path, footer path. Then next one is we discussed in my HTML tutorials. Where third topic is styling. Styling means simply say that look like already we create a table. Styling, HTML styling. Using style, we add styling, we add colors of the existing table. It's simply just like already available some table, we add some design. Just like I give blue, look like this. I go here. That's it. Simply, we are using HTML tag, HTML stylish tag, just like tag is given. Style tag. That's it. It simply says HTML styling. So I do run this program. Look like I open this. Adding some code where it is I stored in color. Some style. In a header session, use style. Style tag. Color is property sector. table row, comma, table head, comma, table data, open, background color, dot. I will discuss what is that in CSS tutorials also. Background color, suppose blue, close. Close the style tag, then Control plus C. So whatever the tags like table row, table head, table data look like this: table row, table data, table. So almost all covered in blue color. So I open this. Yeah, look like the serial number, name, age, everything because we add all tags. That's what look like this. I add blue color. So look like this. Then third one is styling completed. Third one, call groups. Column groups in HTML. In HTML tutorials, call groups means column groups is used to create a column groups column groups of HTML tables. We have to remarkable, for example, like call groups. It meant by column groups created each of column groups in a table. Just like we add one more table, look like this. Student. So this is the header of column group. This is one table having with three columns, three rows and three columns. Look like this. This is called column group. This kind of diagrams we create column groups. So we need the program. Already I had written. So styling also I give the styling in other session. So I give it. Already we know that how to create this table border like a circulation of an embedded line. Column. This is the tag of a column group. Call group call. Just like why you are using class because of styling. We need to style this part. That's what we have to create one class or ID. That's what we create is here of class. Styling is the sessions and with something. I give a names table header column span 3, just like student data is here. To cover this, we need to create this code through the help of tag, just like look like this. Student data is here. Student table header, because in top header section column span. This is the tag of 3, just like 3, 1, 2, 3 student data. That is the meaning of this tag. So I'll create one column span of student data is here. So everything as usual normal. Create table header sessions names, create table row, table header like a serial number, name and salary, close header session and table data 1, 2, Naga something. Some names is here. Control press save. You open this. Open this. Because we are using styling also, so that's what anomaly like this. Without without styling, look like this. So look in. This is the HTML code. Whatever we need in this code, everything anomaly in this console. So everything look like this. So this is the paragraph. This is the border. Border means like this, and table head call span student data is here. Look like this. I'm clicking here. The cursor open like this in left corner. Student data is here. Another. Then table head in header section. Table head serial number name and in table data tag one name something. So this is we create a column spans and nested inner tables we are called nested tables. In this table we have to create one more table is called nested tables. I show a simple way. We have to create a table. Create a table. Then we want to need one more table. One more table will of inner existing table is called nested tables. Just like So we create one table. Already existing table is here. So I want to need one more table. Look like this is table. This table is called nested table. Nested table. Inner in tutorials I do explain. Nested table is like a refer to table where one or more tables are placed inside. It is the inner table are placed inside the table data tags. Whatever we are inserting a table data tags are also inner tables. It simply look like this. Gaps. These are the four steps. How to create in nested tables. You can create nested tables in HTML by creating one or more tables in different table cells. The following are steps to in. These are four. Step one is create outer table. Just like create a table, root table tag. In root table tag, we create step one. We create root tag, root table tag, table in border, attribute border, one border. So step two is define rows and columns. Look like a table row, table data. Then third step is embedded inner table, like a table border. This is the border. Step for define inner table content, like table row, inner content. Step 5 close the tags. Look like observe this already created. We create table tag, border one, table row, table data. So in table data space, we create an inner table. Look like this, close. So in programmatic level, I do write. Look like this. I remove these things. I comment this. First, I comment this. So first step one is like what? Step one what? Create a root tag, root table tag. Table open, table close. Close it now. I give a border. border equal to 1. So clear. Then create table row. Table data. Then embedded table. So create one more table. Table. I'll give it border 1. Border equal to 1. Close. Table row. Table row. Init table data. Like serial number. Close. Table data second one name. Close. Close the tags. This is table head, not table data. I give a header first. Close table row. Now table data. Open table row. Table data. Like serial number 1. Close td. Naga. Then close table row. So this is the head. This is the init data. I copy these 4 columns, like the 4 numbers. Node 4. Table 2. Arjun. Table 3. Tarak. Aish. 4. 4. 5. Look like this. So table border open, table close, table row, table data to create in a nested table. Nested table. So complete. Close table. Table close. TD close. TR close. Close TD. Close TR. Save. Run this. Program. Table.html. Run this. Table.html. So this is the inner tag. I remove color. I comment this also. Nested tags. Control plus save. Refresh. So look like this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is the nested table. So 3 borders is here. I give 1 border. Why you are enabling or rendering 3s? Because this is nested. That's all about today's session. Look like this. So these things are HTML tables. Look like this. This is table. This is inner table. As that, this is table. This is inner table, nested table. Inner table means that's all about HTML tables. Even look like this. I remember how many once. So HTML tables, it represents the organized data such that image, text, etc. Even though HTML tables defines or structured format of columns on a rows and columns. Rows and columns. Rows and columns. Example login pages, tables, instance, everything. Example HTML tables, headers and captions, styling, column groups, nested tables. HTML, how to create nested tables. Look like this: table tags, table rows, table data, root tag, embedded tags, and headers. Header means top of the header section, and caption means caption of this existing table. Styling, background color, and column row, spanning the group of columns in a table. Nested table, inner tables of existing table. These things we discussed in HTML tables. Tomorrow we start links. Links are links of today HTMLs. That's all about today's session. Bye bye. Before closing window, please subscribe my channel